If you love peanut butter and you love bananas, then this is the recipe for you today. I am showing you how to make peanut butter banana bread with or without glaze. Either way, you're going to love it and you're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make my favorite banana bread recipe with peanut butter. It's so good. If you don't think bananas and peanut butter go together, give this recipe a try. I promise you it will convert you. I'm also going to show you how to optionally top it with a maple glaze. It is delicious. This bread is one of my favorites. It's a great dessert. It's a great breakfast, brunch. It's freezable. It's fantastic. You're gonna love this recipe. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Now when I make this banana bread, you can do it two different ways. In the video, I'm showing you just about mashing the bananas and mixing it together. You can also use a blender. My mom's banana bread recipe, which I will link up at the top, that uses a blender. You can do it either way. This one, I like to just mash them and throw them in there because it makes it easier, less cleanup. Now I have 2 overripe bananas. Now those are bananas that are very brown spotted and overripe. They're sweeter and perfect for baking. And I've added 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Make sure and use a no stir peanut butter. Just stir that together until it's nice and smooth. Then mix in 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Adding peanut butter to banana bread is such a natural thing because I love eating peanut butter and bananas together just as a breakfast or a snack. And so this is just levels that up. Once that's stirred together, add 7 tablespoons of milk. Now I'm using buttermilk here, but you can use milk mixed with 1 teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice. You can also use non-dairy milk. Stir that together and then add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and stir until it's nice and smooth. Once the batter is ready, you're going to add it to a 9x5-inch loaf pan that has been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. Bake this at 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean when tested in the center of the loaf. Now when it comes to the banana bread, you can just serve it completely plain. It's super fantastic that way. I also like to smear some peanut butter on it, but you can also make this glaze. It is so good. It's got maple and powdered sugar. It's like a super sweet complement to the peanut butter and bananas in the bread. Another thing you could do with this bread is add chocolate chips. I've done that too. It's fantastic. And that's it. That is how you make the easiest peanut butter banana bread. It's fantastic. I like it plain. I like it with glaze. I like it with chocolate chips. This bread is fantastic. You're gonna love it for breakfast or brunch. Slice it, freeze it for baggies for easy grab and go breakfast, especially during the school year. This is a fantastic recipe. I know you're going to love it. Leave me a comment and let me know how you're gonna make it. Glaze, no glaze, chocolate chips, what will you add to it? And keep watching for even more desserts.